Disclaimer: this video does not promote or encourage any legal activities. All contents provided by this video is meant for educational purpose only. Thanks. Hey, if this is first time viewer watching my video or this first time you are visiting my channel, make sure you hit subscribe button below and click on the notification bell. Thank you. This video is all about how to secure your FB account using two-factor authentication. Step number 1. Go to Facebook application. Step number 2. Go to Facebook settings and click. Step number 3. Find the security and login and click. Step number 4. In the security and login, click the use two-factor authentication. Step number 5. Click the use text messages and continue. Step number 6. Wait for the text of the Facebook that contains the confirmation code. Step number 7. If you already received the message, go to messages and copy the code. Step number 8. Go back to Facebook application and paste the code in the box and click continue. Step number 9. Click done. After that, type your FB password and continue to successfully activate the two-factor authentication. Save yourself from hackers by doing all the steps. Thank you.